Hello and welcome to Get Creative in the Kitchen. Today I'm super excited to share with you this delicious restaurant style mutton or goat curry, which is super easy to make and absolutely delicious. You can substitute the goat for any other red meat. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so let's start making this yummy mutton curry. I'm using ghee here today to give it a nice rich restaurant style taste. Once the ghee is heated up, we're going to add our whole spices, cinnamon, cardamom and clove. So we're going to mix this through till it releases its aroma. Once that's done, we're going to add our fresh ginger and garlic. And this is crushed ginger and garlic. So give that a couple of minutes till it releases all its beautiful aroma. Onions go in next. I have blended my onions to give it a nice smooth gravy. And we're going to give these onions about 5 to 6 minutes to cook. Okay, so these onions are well cooked. You can see the oil come to the surface. And it's also reduced in quantity. So that tells me my onions are cooked. So now it's time for the dry spices to go in. Starting with some cinnamon powder, cardamom powder, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder, or you can use paprika if you don't have Kashmiri chili powder. Give that a good mix. We're just going to cook these spices till we see the oil release again, making sure that it's on a low flame and you don't burn your spices. Okay, so the oil's released to the sides there, so these spices are nicely cooked. My gravy or sauce is all done and it's time now for the meat to go in. So I'm using goat or mutton on the bone, but you can use any other red meat. I'm going to add my salt. Turn up the heat and brown this for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes and as you can see my meat is nicely browned. I have been stirring it the whole time so that nothing gets caught. So I'm going to add my tomatoes next. Now I'm going to be using my pressure cooker, so I don't need my tomatoes to completely dissolve. It will dissolve once it's pressurized. But I'm just going to mix it through for a few minutes. Okay, that's looking good, so I'm going to add some water. If you're not using a pressure cooker, just cook this as per normal, like you normally cook your meat. I'm going to put the lid on. Okay, so I've let out all the steam from my pressure cooker. This has been cooking for about 30 minutes, so let's have a look. Oh, if you could only smell this. Yummy. Okay, this looks good. My meat looks cooked. Yep, that's falling off the bone. Beautiful. Look at that lovely gravy. Okay, so next goes in my Garam Masala and Kasuri Methi. Mix that through. This is a beautiful mutton curry restaurant style, if you can only smell it. I've got some fresh julienned ginger, some green chilies, which is optional, and there you have it, beautiful mutton curry or goat curry restaurant style. Give this a try and I would love to hear from you in the comments.